Boys, now that we got that out of the way, I've for sure done y'all a disservice. I've had a lot of people hit me up in the past couple days. Today is Wednesday, February 10th. I've been sleeping on y'all. I had recorded a video Sunday. Ashley's battery was pretty much shot in her Murano, and I used changing her battery as an excuse to give you guys an update on what's going on. And I have proceeded to take my GoPro to work and forget to bring it home, and then I remembered to bring it home another night and then didn't come in here and forgot, and then I took it to work another night or another day, and then today I left my damn camera at work. So that footage is 3 days old now. I had planned on putting that video up Sunday night, but it didn't happen. So I'm just going to give y'all an update. I'm sure y'all aren't too excited to see The Office, but I remember to make y'all a video right now, so I'm going to make y'all a video right now, get you guys updated, caught up, and go from there. So on the truck, I've seen a couple comments, people message me like, oh shit, he got the truck running and just dipped out on us. That is not what happened. The last video y'all saw the truck when I was doing a burnout in the garage the night me and James went and drove it. That's the last time the truck's done anything of note. You guys saw we busted apart Chris's motor. We've been tinkering with it a little bit. Kind of haven't really messed with it a whole lot. The truck I for sure have not touched since we moved it outside. So here's the deal. I had intentions of, we had just got a trailer. I had intentions of putting it on the trailer this week and taking it to the muffler shop, getting exhaust put on it, and then lining up the tune with bells. If any of you watch the news or weather, y'all know that Oklahoma has been under 32 degrees for the past 4 days now, 5 days, which whoop-de-doo, it's freezing cold, so what? Well, the problem is almost every single day we've had some form of moisture, whether it be freezing rain, sleet, freezing drizzle. I mean, it's everything in the book. It's getting froze over every day, which it's staying frozen because it's like 20 degrees for highs every day. But so Sunday night after the battery ordeal, everybody was over watching the Super Bowl. Austin and Chris were like, hey, we'll help you put it on the trailer. And I was like, all right, cool. So we hooked the trailer up, brought it around front. We tried to put the truck on the trailer right in front of the garage, and just the angle of the trailer and the way the truck was having to approach, we bottomed out high centered 3 times in a row on the transmission cross member bolts. And I say that it really bottomed out on the frame, but once the transmission cross member bolts slid over, there's a trim piece where the dovetail goes down on the trailer and the other piece is flat, that little trim cap right there. We went over it, and then those 2 studs that stick out went over it and got caught on it. So I couldn't back the truck up and I couldn't move it forward. We were just stuck. So we got the floor jack up on the trailer, tried to lift it up and go forward. It wouldn't do it. It would just burn out on the ramps. So all right, we got to take a run at it. Backed up one more time, took a good run at it, basically ramped the fucking truck on the trailer, and it did the same exact thing, just high centered and just stabbed, stuck in the trailer. So I was like, you know what, it's 10 o'clock at night, forget it guys, let's forget it. We're gonna put the trailer up, battle it another day. So I talked to my boss at work, and he's like, man, honestly, all the shit you're going through, in my opinion, he's like, yeah, the tune's super rich, but if it starts up, idles fine, and drives fine, responds to throttle, doesn't try to act stupid, backfire, buck, lug, surge, he's like, drive it up here. And I was like, all right, then. Well, what do you know? This cold weather moved in faster than it was supposed to. It was supposed to come in like the end of the week, like today's Wednesday. It was supposed to come in like today through the end of the week. Well, slap me in the nuts. It came in Sunday night, overnight. And so our roads are slick. They're fucked. There's ice everywhere. It's been 20s for highs. So it's not thawing out. They're throwing sand and salt and all that shit, and it's refreezing every day through the day. Something tells me driving an untested bump steering single cab short bed on ice isn't a good idea. So I'm waiting until the weather gets better. Here's a problem. This weekend we are expecting 2 storms, winter storms. I hate calling it a storm. I'm from Oklahoma. A storm is a tornado that takes your house away. But they call it a winter storm. So, and it's been so cold this week. It's going to be so cold. We're going in like single digits and negatives this weekend, Friday and Saturday and Sunday and Monday. So, long story short, they're talking about 15 inches of snow Sunday night into Monday. We ain't built for that here in Oklahoma. So, I'm probably not going to get to drive the truck next week. I don't know. It sucks because, let me pull up calendar. Alright, so basically today is the 10th. And then we've got this weekend, which remember it's supposed to snow, 15 inches of snow, single digits. So we're probably not going to be roadworthy until maybe this couple of days. So I gotta hope that I can drive it up to the shop one of these days, get the intake pipe fixed, and get it to exhaust. Exhaust should only take a day. And then try to Hail Mary a tune with bells this week and load it on a trailer Friday and then go down to Houston. So that's the deal, guys. I'm for sure trying. The truck's not going to be pretty. I've got a couple things that I have remembered that I need to do with the truck. I'm going to try to get them done. It's really hard to do with, being at work all day, and I have a lot of job duties now. A lot of my work I do keep an eye on while I'm at home. Like social media, messages, emails, stuff like that. So I'm doing my best, guys. I'm doing what I can. I'm not going away. I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm not giving up. I'm just busy right now. The truck's getting close. We've got something figured out for Chris on his 6.0. The weather kind of screwed that up too, so I'm in a little spot where, short of me just making videos like this every other day, there ain't nothing going on. That's that. So I appreciate you guys for poking me, for messaging me and asking, hey, what's the deal? Where you at, man? What's going on? When's the next video? I appreciate y'all. Much love. That means a ton from y'all, that I actually have a group of people, community of people that care about what I'm doing and want to see what I'm doing and want to see an update. And that means a lot to me. That makes me feel special, because I am special for one. But it makes me feel good because I thought that I could put something up in video form that people would be interested in, and it turns out there's some people interested in it. So that's cool. One thing that is going to be coming really quick is the YouTube channel for work is now a thing, and I am going to, right after I upload this on my channel, I'm going to upload a video on the work channel. If you guys are interested in that, again, my new job is X-Power Racing Engines. We specialize in LS, and we build everything from 400 horsepower to 2,000 plus. So if you guys are into seeing any of that process, seeing when we go out testing in our cars, when we go out to do races, grudge races, street races, events at tracks, whatever, y'all be sure to check that out. At the time of this video being posted, that channel has 0 subscribers. So I would like to invite my people that are into race cars and stuff like that to check the channel out, check the video out. If you're into that kind of stuff, throw us a sub, like the videos, interact with those videos like you do with these. And if you want to do that, there will be a link in the description of this video. X-Power Racing Engines is the YouTube. It's going to be hard to find because we don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. And if you didn't know, if a YouTube channel has less than 1,000 subscribers, they're hard to find in the search tab. So basically you have to get like sent a link or something to it to find it in a timely manner. So I'm going to do that work for you guys. I'll leave a link in the description. Y'all check the video out, see what you think. And if you want to check out some gear from the shop, we've got hats and shirts and stickers from the shop. You'll find those at xpowerracingengines.com. I'll put a link for that below also. And then also, I am the one that is building that website, and I'm continuously adding products from our vendors on there, but we also sell parts. So if you guys need anything, LS, even small block and big block Chevy, if you want a cam kit, if you want a cam, if you need push rods, if you need lifters, if you want rods, if you want pistons, if you want rings, if you want whatever you need, if you want intake manifolds, if you want headers, any of that stuff, we're trying to dig into the parts industry with our website. So if you guys want parts, need parts, whatever, y'all be sure to hit us up, xpowerracingengines.com. Like I said, I'm continuously putting parts on there every day. And then check out all our social medias, X-Power Racing Engines on Instagram and Facebook. I'll leave links to all that in the description of this video. And other than that, that's about all I got for you guys. Sorry to be disappointing. I haven't had content worth of shit here this past couple weeks, really. Just kind of let you guys down. But I ain't giving up on you. I am trying. You know, if nothing else, if all the snow comes, you can bet your ass I'm going to be playing in it. So, at least look forward to some playing in the snow or something. I don't know. Thanks to all of you guys for sticking with me to this point. We're almost right at the 1 year mark for the channel. So I'm really excited for that. I'm trying to brainstorm something special I can do for that. And then, other than that, guys, keep up with me on the social media pages. Instagram's easy. If you got my Snapchat, that works. Or the Facebooks. Other than that, that's about it, guys. If you're down here where it's cold, stay warm. Get some ice cold Dr. Pepper. And, yeah, that's it. Peace out, guys. Be human. See you later.